Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to delete Bloat apps on Android. Here are the steps to delete or disable bloatware pre-installed apps on your Android device. First, go to your home screen or app drawer. Find the app you want to remove. Tap and hold the Bloat app icon. A small menu will appear. Check for uninstall option. If available, drag the app to uninstall at the top or select uninstall from the menu. If uninstall option is missing, tap app info. Search use Google Maps, hold for a few seconds, then tap the eye icon. This will take you directly to the app's settings page. Tap disable if uninstall is not available. Disabling will remove the app from the home screen and prevent it from running. Tap Disable App on the confirmation prompt. This will stop the app and hide it from your device. Go back to Settings menu. Open your phone's Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps, Apps and Notifications, or App Management, depending on your phone brand. This shows all installed apps. Tap App List. A full list of system and user apps will appear. Search for additional Bloat apps you want to remove. Use the search bar or scroll manually. Repeat the process. Remove or disable more unwanted apps one by one by tapping the app, then tap uninstall or disable. Clear cache and storage. On the app's info page, tap Storage, Clear cache, Clear storage to free up space. Restart your phone. This helps apply the changes and may improve performance. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.